Hi, in this video I will show you how to add a face mask to your Bitmoji selfie on the Snapchat, or how to get face mask on the Snapchat. So simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Snapchat mobile application and you have to go to the chats from here. So from here you have to click on your profile icon from the left top, and you will see right now my Bitmoji having face mask. So what you have to do is scroll up and go to the select selfie from here. Once you will click on the select selfie, you will see a face mask with Bitmoji. Simply you have to select any of it. So I select this one with the face mask and click on the done. And once you will click on the done, your face mask is here on your Bitmoji. So this is the way you can use the face mask on the Bitmoji of the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.